Hey Zach and Jesse, this is Tony in California at the end of a long weekend road trip here, showing off a new piece of gear that I have. This is the Camper Kit Lite from a company called Fruble, and this is basically a storage drawer that gives you this 4-inch tall drawer that's designed to be just tall enough to accommodate most of your propane camping stoves or even an induction cooktop. And it has these gaps here in the back so that if you had an induction cooktop or if you had like a pump with your water, you could run those lines through here to access your battery that you might store somewhere else in the car. And the thing that I really like about this is it's a piece of kit that enhances your camping experience, but is designed to be useful in normal, ordinary, everyday circumstances. So you've got this great drawer here where you could put a lot of different stuff, whether it's your camping gear or if say you're in a trade, like maybe you're an electrician, you could put tools in here. You can still access your sub trunk. And then if we come around onto the rear doors of the vehicle, you'll see that with your chairs up, you've still got seating space. And just like an ordinary vehicle, but then when you fold these down, you have access to that sub-trunk space, that second sub-trunk space, mid-sub-trunk space that's normally so short you can't put stuff in it, but the Camper Kit Lite gives you an extra 4 inches of height, so this actually becomes a useful compartment. I've got pillows and stuff here, and then if you wanted to sleep in this, you've got one more piece. That's these 4 boards that are also tailored to fit into your Tesla. Sit on your seat back like that. Then you take your 2 sub-trunk covers. These are the stock sub-trunk covers that came with your Model Y from the factory. You lay them out like so. And you've got a continuous flat surface for laying out your mattress. And this gets rid of that little bit of slope that you have when you just lay on your seats normally, while also giving you some really good cargo space. And this is me and my wife's first trip using this car camper Lite, so we're still figuring out and optimizing exactly what we're going to store in it and how we're going to use it. But thus far, I've really enjoyed it. I believe Jimmy sells these on his site, Fruble. But if you're a DIYer, I believe he also makes the plans available. So if you have access to the tools and the skill set, you could make one of these yourself. And I've really enjoyed this first use case of it. I'm looking forward to using it for years to come. I hope you guys find this interesting. Now you know.